137. Congratulations on successfully graduating from the fellowship, and I am really glad that you guys were able to work on yourself during the times of uncertainty. I'm really glad, I'm really proud of you, the way how you supported each other during the times of uncertainty, and your constant love and support for your program team. Thank you very much for that. In the last, I would just take this as an opportunity to say one thing that I used to say during the fellowship: be selfish about your learning. Thank you. Best of luck.
Assalamu alaikum, batch 137, and congratulations on being graduates and finally officially completing the fellowship and being part of the Amal family. I know that it's been a considerable amount of time since you've all completed your fellowship, and I think it's good that this is like a reminder to remember the journey that you had and remember the things that you all learned. I personally am proud of all of you, and you were all a great bunch of kids, all of you. And I think I've learned a lot from all of you as well. And I think I really grew as a program manager, as a facilitator through your batch too. So overall, enjoy this day and enjoy all the hard work that you've put in. और आप लोगों से मिलके भी बड़ा अच्छा लगा when we met forks and knives में, and hopefully we'll be planning things and we'll keep planning them and we'll keep meeting up, and God bless you all. Stay blessed, and I just wish you all the health and happiness in the world, and I just have good things to say about each and every one of you, and remember that I'm always going to be here to help you out, or just if you want to talk or whatever, always will be here. So मुबारक हो आप सबको once again, और खुश रहें, आबाद रहें, सेहतमंद रहें, और अल्लाह हाफिज.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Asfan Diyar. I was cluster manager for your batch during the Amal Career Prep Fellowship. Some of you might have seen me as a silent spectator in your sessions. I might have also interacted with some of you during your mock interview sessions. I just want to take this opportunity today to congratulate all of you on your graduation. I hope you have taken this opportunity of the fellowship to improve yourself. I'm confident that all of you have become better versions of yourselves, that all of you have become lifelong learners, and I hope that you continue on this path of self-discovery as you enter your professional and personal life. So congratulations once again, and I wish you all the very best for the future.
It is now time for the most important part of the ceremony, and that is you, batch 137. I would like to begin by presenting the gold medalist first, and a huge round of applause for Mr. Hassan Ali Anis. Congratulations, Hassan. Next, we have the best mega project, and that was the Women Self-Defense Training Project. Now, for the graduates with the highest honors: Aisha Amjad, Muhammad Ahmed, Muhammad Ehsan Naeem, Muhammad Fahad Hafiz, Muhammad Usama Azmat, Muhammad Zahid Ali, Ramsha Naveed, Saim Umar, Tasneer Jameel. And now the fellows with honors: Afshala Noreen, Ahmed Ikrash Aslam, Anila Bibi, Anis Akbar, Aksa Shahid, Bushra Mahnoor, Ghulam Mustafa, Hafiz Muhammad Akram Aslam, Hafiz Muhammad Abdullah Bashir, Hafiza Aqsa Mahmood, Hamza Ijaz, Hina Parveen, Maham Iftikhar, Maliha Amir, Muhammad Arsalan Rafiq, Muhammad Umar Farooq, Muhammad Umar Kaleem Rao, Muhammad Uzair Siddiq, Saman Tahir, Shafiqur Rahman, Sibghatullah, Saida Masuma Haider Kazmi, Tuba Taimur, Umaira Amjad, Usman Haider, Usmanul Hassan, Zunaira Arshad. And now for the graduates. Abdul Wahid, Aftab Hussain, Ahmed Zishan, Arslan Khan, Baligha Bhatti, Binish Zulfikar, Ikra Rashid, Muhammad, Sadaf Faiza, Sardar Muhammad Asad Hayat. Congratulations, Batch 137, and best of luck for the future.